and I was a student of BTech in JCRC University. Actually, I was confused when I passed my BTech to go in technical or not because I don't like coding. So I chose the midway and joined digital marketing course in JSDM, Jaipur Mansarovar. And they taught me about every aspect of digital marketing, and I learned everything from WordPress to paid advertising, everything. And I chose my career as digital marketer from then. And now I have been placed in such a great company in Jaipur itself, and I am very thankful to the teachers of JSDM. They are very polite and experienced also. They have given me live projects to gain hands-on experience, and I love to work there. Thank you.